Welcome back to the Leadfoot Garage. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing and a quick install of this Lund rooftop bag that we got for my wife's 2018 Toyota Highlander. We're getting ready to go on vacation. We're going to take the dogs with us, so that means they're going to be in the back. No room for the luggage. So we purchased this from RealTruck.com. We're going to open it up, check it out, and do a quick install. So this thing came to us kind of crushed, but exactly like this. No outside box, no packaging or anything like that. My wife did open it up, and it came exactly like this. No clear bag or wrapping or anything to protect it. So I'm wondering if it might have been a return. But we got the bag. We've got hooks and the work instructions. Looks like the straps are already attached to it. Now here they are sitting right here. All right, so let's do an install. So it said to make sure that you orient this with the zippers towards the back of the car. So that's what I did. I'm not exactly even as far as the gap left to right, but that is something that we can kind of line out once we do get ready to load this thing up. But it's pretty simple. Peel your stripping down, install your hook, and then run the strap through. Then you can push this back up. The door seems to shut okay. Not thrilled with that, but we'll see how it works. We may do the bars here for the next time, if there is a next time. But it sits up there nice and flat. It ought to be big enough to hold all of our luggage. We normally travel pretty light, so we'll see how it goes. But for tightening, it's just running the strap through. I'll probably need two hands to do this right. But that's pretty much it. Yeah, so I will do a follow-up once we return, just to let you guys know how it did. Thanks for watching.